Alright, here's another short video. So we have a flat roof that's totally blown off here, and caused a lot of damage inside this house. And the reason I'm making this video is because I just wanted to make you all aware of something. This roof is not that old. So it was put on with the shingle roof here, and it's only a few years old, and it looks like it's a hot mopped roof, as you can see with the bleed right here. But here's the problem. I don't see not one fastener in there to fasten the fiberglass base down. What I do see is evidence of staples. You can't staple this stuff down. See the staples? You can't staple a fiberglass base down. Wind catches that edge right there like it did, and it just blows it right off. Man, what a waste. If they'd have done it right, this roof would have lasted, but now we have to tear it off and redo it. Man, this is a good reason why you should always make sure that the people that's doing your roofing and HVAC work and any kind of construction around your house is licensed. Well, thanks for watching.